Good morning, students. So, how are you all? Okay, so as we know that chapter 12 migration types and causes is going on, and in this chapter earlier we already discussed the topics like migration types and causes and streams too, and today we are going to learn about the consequences of migration. So, let's start with this topic. Migration is a response to the uneven distribution of opportunities over space. And people tend to move from place of low opportunity and low safety to the place of higher opportunity and better safety. So this in turn creates both benefits and problems for the areas. People migrate from and migrate to. Consequences can be observed in economic, social, cultural, political, and demographic terms. So the first consequences is economic consequences. So these consequences are positive as well as negative. How? A major benefit for the source region is the remittance sent by migrants. Remittance. Do you know about the remittance? What is the meaning of remittance? So, remittance is the money that is sent to somebody in order to pay for something. Okay. So, this is a money which is sent by the person who lives in the foreign or in the other country, and he or she sent to this money to his family or his friends, etc. So, as a migrant, sent remittances to their family members for food, repayment of loans, treatment, marriages, children's education, or the agriculture inputs, construction of houses, etc. And green revolution in the rural areas of Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh was a success because of the migrants only from rural areas of Eastern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha receives this remittances. Clear? The negative effect of this migration is overcrowding due to unregulated migration. We can say, we can take a example of like Maharashtra and the Gujarat and Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Delhi. So these are the places where the unhygienic slums are developed. Due to this overcrowding only. Clear? Now next is demographic consequences. So these consequences can be both positive or negative. Okay, ये भी positive और negative हो सकते हैं. How? Redistributing of population with the country, the process of urbanization is dependent on rural-urban migration. See, migrants or the migration leads to the redistribution of population within a country. So, rural population with a country or the rural migration is one of the important factor contributing to the population growth of cities. Like age and skill selected out migration from the rural area have adverse effect on the rural demographic structure. If we talk about some places like Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, or Eastern Maharashtra, so these are the places which receives high amount of migration. Okay, we can say that these are some positive and some negative effect of the demographic consequences. Okay, positive, redistributing of population within a country, and the negative point is imbalance in demographic structure. Age and skill selected out migration created an imbalance in demographic structure of rural areas. So this is because the places affected by this imbalance or the demographic structure जो है हमारा imbalance होता है, तो इसकी वजह से काफ़ी states जो हैं होते हैं वो affect हुए हैं, like उत्तराखंड, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, they are getting so many people in their states. Okay, so next is social consequences. Okay, so these consequences are both positive as well as negative. ये भी positive और negative दोनों ही form में होते हैं. If we talk about the positive, so migrants work as an agent of social change. They diffuse new ideas of science and technology by family planning, girls' education, etc., from one place to another place. So, people also bring different cultures with them, which helps to break the narrow considerations and broaden up the mental horizon of the people. तो इस तरह के जो लोग होते हैं अपनी ऊंची सोच से, अपनी ब्रॉड मेंटलिटी के कारण जो है काफ़ी जो है कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं इंडिया या जो भी इनका कंट्री है उसकी डेवलपमेंट में. Clear? Negative impact or the negative result is anonymity increases and creates social vacuum and feeling of ejection. So this feeling ultimately results in antisocial activities such as crime, drug abuse, theft. जैसे लोग माइग्रेट होते हैं और अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा रिजेक्शन फील करते हैं या उनको सोशली हिराश किया जाता है, तो वो इस तरह की जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनमें फंस जाते हैं. इस तरह के जो क्राइम्स हैं, ड्रग है, अब्यूज़ है, चोरी करना है, तो इस तरह से ये these are the negative points of social consequences. Next is environmental consequences. Yes, it is very important. It has no positive impact or no positive result. It has only negative result only. Okay. So large scale rural urban migration leads to overcrowding in the cities and puts tremendous pressure on the infrastructure. You can see in the Maharashtra or in the Delhi area, the people live in small houses. Actually, there is a problem of land or the shortage of the land. That's why they are making or they are developing the slum areas. Clear? So it also results in unplanned and haphazard growth of cities in which slums and shanty colonies are very common. And overcrowding is also related to overexploitation of natural resources, and cities are facing serious problems of like water shortage, air pollution, water pollution, and problem of sewage disposal and the management of solid waste. So these are the problems which are facing by the people who lives in metro cities or by the migration, okay, or the due to the migration. Next is other consequences. When male migrants leave their wives in rural areas, this puts extra physical and mental pressure on women. They feel alone at her place. So it can be हम बोल सकते हैं कि किस तरह से वो फिजिकली और मेंटली प्रेशराइज होती हैं when she not live with her husband or her family. So migration of women for education and employment gives them more freedom. On the other hand, it also adds to their vulnerability. So these are the some points or the other consequences which we have discussed in this topic, consequences of migration. And here this chapter is completed now, and the question answers of and the extra questions of this chapter I will send you on the website. You can find there, and do it in your notebook also. Okay, so जब तक मेरा next video आता है, till then take care and bye bye.